10:30 in the morning on Sunday of the May long weekend. We're gonna go out Saturday, Sunday, but lots of rain in the forecast. We didn't get thunderstorms they called for, but if we had to put in this time yesterday, we would have been just getting on the water. When that system moved through, it would have been pouring out. So we're up here around St. Mary's. Last night they got some rain come through here, nothing in London, so the flow rate chart up by Mitchell's reacted a little bit. I doubt we'll get much more flow than this, but we're gonna have to get out probably a bunch of times, but not a big deal. Road's right up there. Neighbor Mike dropped us off, so here we're gonna get started on our trip. Are you ready to catch some fish, Benjamin? No? All right, let's get rolling. On the water for half an hour. Haven't had to get out yet, knock on wood. Where's my paddle?
Got it for you.
Yeah, saw bald eagle already, juvenile. Fairly big one, but it just hadn't got its colors yet. Probably get them this year. That was a big bird.
Yeah.
And, a blue heron, so not a bad start to the morning.
Lots of fish.
Yeah, tons of fish, just haven't caught any yet.
You want to try? You gotta put it between your thumbs. Right like that, and then see that little hole between your thumbs? Yeah. Put your lips right up tight.
Well, here we are, just pulling up to our campsite. 10 to 3. Started at 10:30. We took, what, 45 minutes for a break?
Yeah.
For lunch?
About
and
that.
fish. Stopped for fish and
Helped us numerous times.
half a dozen times for 10 minutes, so could have made it here quickly, but that's not the point of getting here. Beautiful day, a little chilly with the breeze and no sun, but nice having a deck there too.
Yeah.
And the light.
Nice.
Good fishing hole over there. Rapids over there.
They're just on the small table.
Thank you. Now that's a fire. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning, coffee.
Good morning. Good morning, bacon.
You can fry that up in here, out there, or just
Yep.
just in here.
Yep. Might as well. Beautiful morning.
Beautiful morning.
I'll go home.
Big contrast compared to the fog.
Wait, Benny.
Where's Benjamin? There he is. Hey guys, how's it going?
Good. Just drying off the tent
Drying
up
off
here.
the tents up top. The big advantage of having
A roof.
a roof, a cabin. Well, there's a cabin. I haven't done any video of the cabin. Lots of spots to hang our stuff. Actually, would have preferred sleeping in here last night, but there's a lot of cracks, so mice and spiders are in here. I was thinking about setting up the tent, but these rocks are pretty uneven to sleep on, even with the sleeping pad. There's a ladder. There's a roof. They just roofed it this spring.
Daddy, can you pass me with some Cheerios?
Oh, we're gonna come down because we're gonna get going.
Well, I just stayed up here.
Nope.
Shivering.
Oh, you're just shivering, are you?
Cold. Sure. I've heard that one before.
Please save me from the save me.
Yeah, the cabin started here. You can see where the old wood is, right
freeze to
there.
death.
There's more of a wood shed. And now they got the deck out there. We camp in the meadow. It was chilly last night. Yeah, nice solar light. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
That's good. Farmer out there making noise. Beauty morning. It's mid-morning now. She's a chilly start to the morning, but
I'm gonna grab my seaweed. I'm gonna grab.
won't fall in.
Yeah,
You
fine.
just gotta commit.
Yeah, fine. They're fighting.
Oh, there's another one right there.
I know, and there's one right there too. He's going for you.
This guy here?
Yeah, when I would get close to the other one, he came up and tried to pinch me.
He does.
Here, let me take a picture with my phone.
Look at that.
He wants free cotton candy.
Woo!
Free cotton candy.
He's getting his color.
Yeah.
They all are.
Actually, yeah, you're right. They all are.
You got your camera out?
Oh yeah. There's that guy, hawk. Oh no, that's an eagle too.
That's just
Don't make any noise.
black feathers came off. See? Let's go. It's not,
Yeah.
it's not
How many is
hard.
that then? 5?
That's a hawk.
No, that's an
They're all eagles, but they're juvenile.
Looks like a hawk. Hawks look like
5 juvenile eagles on Fanshawe Reservoir. And geese over there in the bushes.
the green and blue algae makes water dirty.
He's huge. He's thinking about going too.
I'll hit him in the head.
surprised he hasn't
Down
yet.
here. If he goes right here, I'll hit him in the head with my paddle.
No, can't do that. There you go.
I hit you in the head.
That's pretty cool. Cool way to finish the trip. Oh, he's stubborn, eh?
Yeah. They probably live right there.
Yeah, there's probably a nest pretty close. All right, buddy, trip's over. What do you think of it? Was that fun?
Yeah,
Yeah?
but not when there was so much the quicksand.
The quicksand, that was pretty awful. Way out there, there's so much sediment because the lake, it takes on more and more every year. But, basically, there's only a few inches of water, and we were fully loaded. Actually, if we weren't loaded, we still weren't making it through there.
No, I don't think so.
Our paddles sunk right into the mud. We couldn't walk on it, so we had to turn around, go back all the way around, and then come in and land. So, end of a decent trip, bud.
Yeah, man, good
Yep.
times.
Didn't rain on us. A little overcast now.
We'll do in the morning.
Yep.